Hi, department chairs. I just wanted to walk you through a couple of steps to accessing the master schedule file. If you're new to the process, this will help walk you through it. If you are a veteran and it's just been a year and you forgot, it'll just refresh your memory. So I send you a link with this email, with this recording, so I know you have it, to the master schedule file, as well as a file for last year for reference. So in case you want to look at what you built last year, you can go ahead and do that, because for the grid this year, we went ahead and cleared it out, except for what the course requests are. So if for some reason after today you can't find the email and you can't get to it, it'll be in your shared file. So if you're like, where did it go? It's in your shared file because I shared it with you. So once you've located it, you make sure you're in the right one, the 2018-2019 file. Make sure you edit the workbook and edit in browser. That way it's saving automatically with the online function, and that's the best way to do it. If you're wondering, somebody's messing up things are changing. You can see here in the top corner, the top right corner, who is also editing the spreadsheet at the same time as you. So it says here, Kristen Harris is also editing. It's because I have it up on one of my second screens. So it gives you an idea of who else is playing around in this live document with you. So along the bottom is all of our departments. So find your department, and you can go ahead and build as needed. I'm going to show you on the bottom here. This is our student requests. So these are how many student requests are in there. If it's a freshman level class, if it's language arts, biology, math, or Spanish, something that I can do an easy prediction on. I went ahead and predicted based on how many kids we have enrolled in those classes this year. So that number of 430 is a pretty good prediction of how many I think we'll have enrolled in LA1 for next year, and how many total sections I think we'll need for next year. So that is those predictions are pretty accurate. If you're in the visual arts or CTE segments, those are a little rough, because I don't know how many of our freshmen are going to select which class, because every year it's a little different. So those are better, not as good guesses. So here you have the total sections we need, and then how many requests we have. If you have any questions on that, you can ask your AP that oversees your department, or come straight to me, as I was the one who put the numbers in there, so I can explain to you why, and why we only selected so many sections for a certain number class. So to give you an example here, Language Arts uses a really cool formula. Laura Drum is amazing, and she uses an awesome formula where she can plug in, for example, like LA1, and it'll add to the bottom LA1, and it'll take it away from this column here for the amount needed. So once that zeroes out, she knows she's built herself a perfect master schedule for her department. Most of the grids here, though, I didn't include those those formulas. If you want them, I can help you build those, but I didn't want to complicate things for everyone and freak you all out. So if you want those formulas in, I can add those. If not, no big deal. You can do hand count, and just know that, for example, in world language, we need 18 sections of Spanish 1. So you can copy this, and let's say, Miss Mendez, you're going to get all sections of Spanish 1, and you can take away 5 sections of Spanish 1, and you can do that. So it's however you want to build your master schedule. Let me know as you go through if you need any help. If you make mistakes, you can just edit live in here. If you're uncomfortable with this, you can always download yourself a copy and play with it on your desktop, and then upload whatever you have later. Just work with your AP in your department, and let me know if you guys have any questions on this. Happy building, and let me know how I can help you.